Hey, thanks a lot for joining us. We are here with Dr. Loper from Coshocton Dentistry, and thank you for joining us today, Dr. Loper, for this very important question that I know my wife would like answered. I'm a teeth grinder at night. Why do I do that? I think there's 3 reasons you have for us today.
Well, yeah, I have 3 main reasons. Everybody grinds their teeth a little bit. That's quite normal, but some people do it a little more than others, and it can be problematic. It can become painful. So I've just trying to outline here today maybe the top 3 reasons that you may be grinding your teeth.
Okay.
So we'll start with number 3. Number 3 could be certain medications or drugs that you're taking. We know that as an unintended side effect of several medications or even some recreational drugs, they may cause you to kind of clench and grind your teeth. Number 2 is stress. We all have stress, but we know that stress is an important factor in causing bruxism, what we call grinding your teeth. Some people respond to it differently, but sometimes under times of extreme stress, it can cause you to clench and grind your teeth, mostly at night.
Yep.
And number 1, sleep apnea. Many people don't realize, but there's a very strong correlation between bruxism and sleep apnea. So if you are a tooth grinder, that could possibly indicate that it may be something that needs to be tested for or looked into more detail.
Where would they do that in terms of sleep apnea? What would you just suggest they do?
Well, in our office, we would do a thorough evaluation, and sometimes we can even send you home with a sleep test, or we can work in conjunction with your physician or a sleep specialist.
Okay. Well, you heard it from the man, and Dr. Loper knows about this stuff, and everybody at Coshocton Dentistry knows about oral and teeth health. So if you want to see more videos like this, you can always check out CoshoctonDentistry.com. And thank you again for joining us today, Dr. Loper.
Thank you for having me, Randy.